Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make these deviled eggs. So let's get started. First, you boil 6 eggs. When it boils, let it cook for about 1 minute, then turn it on low and let it sit for 8 minutes. This way, you get perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. Then take it out of the water and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then it's time to peel it. It takes some patience peeling these eggs, but you'll get done with it soon. Now that all the eggs are peeled, it's time to cut them in half. I'm just using a knife, but you can also use an egg cutter to cut it. Either way, they are both good ways to cut the eggs. Scoop the egg yolks and put them in a separate bowl. Then you can add about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can just eyeball it if you want to. I just used a regular spoon. If you want more mayonnaise, you can add more, but if you want less, then you can add less. Then you mix it well using a fork. Make sure you crush all of the egg yolks. Then you can add about 1 tablespoon of mustard. Like the mayonnaise, you can also eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. The mustard is nice because it adds a little bit of acidity to the taste. There are other mustards you can use, but we're just using the regular mustard. Then you can add some salt to taste, although you don't have to put too much because the mustard already has a little bit. Then it's time to scoop the egg yolks into your egg whites. You can use a piping bag to do it, or you can just use some spoons like I did. Then you can sprinkle your eggs with paprika. I'm using smoked paprika because it has a nice flavor. It's ready! Here are my deviled eggs. They're really simple to make and they are delicious. Watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! It is so good. It's so good.